the continuation of the sun, the moon, and the earth. And what we're going to do now is we're going to use moon, sun, earth. Where this is what we're going to do. Moon, sun, earth. The total number is 57. The total number is 54. The total number is 52. 5 times 2, 5 plus 2, B and E, the two letters. This one is D and E, and this one is G and E. They all go together. 5, 5, 5, inside of 7, 4, inside of 7, 4, and 2. 13. 13 is the total here. 15 is the total here. 13 equals M. 15 equals O. Mo is a representation of the word. T letter, because it's a 20th letter or 10th letter. These are combination letters. They combine two parts, two equations. So now we have this over here. 15, 1 and 5 equals to 6. 13 equals to 4. 6 times 4, 6 plus 4 equals 24, and 10, 34 DC. The X is the 24th letter in the alphabet and represents 10 is 34. 0 equals 6 becomes 40. 40, 0 equals 6 becomes 46. Okay? Or you can look at this two ways. 2 equals 3. 4 and 0 equals to 4. 0 equals 6 equals to 10. So now it's down to 30. Now you have to add 10. Okay, 1 and 0 is 1. Add 6. 34 now becomes 37. 31, which is 7 times 3, 7 plus 3, which is also a 10, just like 64. 4 and 6 inside, 3 and 7 on the outside creates 31. 31, because 7 and 3 equals 10, there's a 0, will also represent 37. So 31 and 37 come together for 68, 101 away from the 7th gateway. These numbers come together, but we're going to go 5 times 2, 5 plus 2 is 7 and 10. The sun, 5 times 4, 5 plus 4, okay, equals to 9 and 20. And the next one is 5 times 7, 5 plus 7 equals to 12, which equals to 3. 3, 9, 7 creation, 12, right? The male and the female, bar mitzvah, bats mitzvah, the U and the A. The A is already inside the U, but is split by the B, right? A, B, C, A, B, C, these 3 dots. This is A, and these 2 is B, okay? But to create the real B, you'll need 1, 2, 3. There's your real B, and it's all around A. A goes this way as U, and this goes this way as U. 2 sides here, and on the inside, U, U, and U. This one will create W, explaining the outside. This one will create U, creating the inside. Becomes 21, and becomes, the W is the 23rd letter in the alphabet. The total is 44. This will become 3 and 5, and 6 and 2. 6 and 2 is 8. 6 and 3 is 9. 5 and 2 is 7. 5 and 3 is 8. 6 and 2 is 8. What is this? 1 and 2 is 3. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 plus 3 is 5. This is how we get it. The total is 88. Purple sky, because purple is represented. Inside of this, we get 35, 45, 55. We get 65. Adding them up, 0 and 0, 6 and 6 is 12, 12 and 65, 77 the gateway, 12, 9, 21 the cube, 28 the cycle of the moon. Because this is 0 and this is 0, add 60 and 60 is 120, we get 148. Okay, 148 if you want to do it that way, or 7 and 9 is 16, plus 2 is 18, 1 and 8 is 9. 1 plus 0 and 0, 12 plus 1 is 13, becomes 49. This is the Uranus number, 849, I'll show you this in a minute. Raphael, understanding these numbers, the combinations, and how they work inside of math is another tool that leads us to wiring, that leads us to elements of compression and vibration, creation of different numerological numbers. I'm going to show before we let this go inside a different kind of scale. Here's the basic numbers, 1, 4, and 7. We're always going to run 1, 4, 7 by the calculator. 1 gets 3, 6, 9, 0, 9. 4 gets 2, 5, 8, 0, 9. There's only 2 of the 7th gate. G repeats both sides, the 7th letter and the 7th letter. Z, X, Y, Z, Y, X, W, V, U, and T. The only 2 reversed now and charged inside the gematria. Okay, not the piano gematria, because the piano gematria keeps going straight. We have to understand the piano gematria going straight, right? See this scenario over here? We're gonna have to take the piano from the other side and start this way, but let's not go there. So we have over here 2, 5, 8. All these will add up 2, okay, 5, 8. Now the thing is with this is the 26th letter. This creates number 8. The Z is now brought into 1, 1 in gematria, okay? In order to keep it as 1, okay, or 4, or 7, we need 3, 6, 9. 3 and 1, 6 and 1 is 7, 9 and 1 is 10, back to the same number. 0 and 9 create 1 again. 0 and 9 create 4, 4 and 9 is 13, 1 and 3 is 4, 7 and 9 is 16, 1 and 6 is 7, 7 times 9 is 36, 3 and 6 is 9, 4 by 9 is 36, 7 by 9 is 63, 6 and 3, 9, 4 by 9, 36, 3 and 6, 9, 1 times 9 is 9, 9. This one becomes 14, this becomes 6. Because there's 4 areas over here, times 4. Did I say this right? This becomes 2, becomes 14, becomes 5. This becomes 4, becomes 16, becomes 7. This becomes 4, becomes 4. 4, 7, and 5. These are the numbers when you add them up in their zones. There's 4 of these, and only 2 of these, so that's the way the result has to come out. And here's your reverse. ZNMF reversed. YOLB is reversed. XPKC is reversed. When we come to W, which is usually 555, W, which is usually a 5, is now a 4. Q is a 4, J is a 4, and D is a 4. The same way, 1 now switches to 4. Okay, 1. 4 is Mars. 4 is now inside of Mercury, inside low shoe magic square. Now, in this one over here, F becomes 5. H is 6. What is H in Chaldean? This is, remember, backwards in gematria. T and G becomes 7. U is 6. Inside of Chaldean, if I remember correctly, it is not 6. I is 5. Usually it's number 2. N, both ways. Is it not the same way? Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. A whole lot of gibberish for just a small story and explanation of numbers. Thank you for watching this video.